Do you know how long a hen takes to hatch eggs?
Look, the hen is sitting on her eggs. Do you know how long it takes? It takes about 21 days for the eggs to hatch.
The chick grows inside, forming wings, legs, and heart. The chick grows inside, forming wings, legs, and heart. The hen turns the eggs to help chicks grow. The hen turns the eggs to help chicks grow. Finally, the chick breaks the shell and hatches. Finally, the chick breaks the shell and hatches.
From egg to chick, what an amazing 21-day journey! Like and share this beautiful journey, friends.
Subscribe channels Abdul Wahab Khan.